Hello all, welcome to my show. I am your foodie chef Swagata, and today I am going to make this is a baked dish, cheese lasagna. I will show you, and I am exactly going to prepare a baked cheese lasagna, and this is pure veg dish. And let me start with the ingredients. Uh, this is the lasagna sheet. You can see this is Amul paneer, Amul butter, and this is boiled lasagna sheets. तो मेरे पास क्या क्या है, ये ग्रेटेड आमूल पनीर है, दिस इज लसानिया शीट आई हैव बॉइल्ड, तो ये बॉईल करके ऐसे लसानिया शीट्स हो गया, और ये पालक ये भी बॉइल्ड है. Firstly, I am putting some butter. I will add the palak with the paneer. तो पनीर और पालक को ऐसे आप मिला लीजिए. You just mix up paneer and palak. I hope I am audible. You can hear my voice. We are preparing lasagna. This is baked cheese lasagna. This is boiled lasagna sheets. Now I am adding some sauce. This is layer after layer. So this is the sheet is going. The first layer is the sauce and Amul butter. Then I am putting all the lasagna sheets. Salt to the mixture, add some salt, and spread olive oil. This is the olive oil I am using. Whatever olive oil you have, you just use it. So now I am putting this mixture of paneer. We are making baked lasagna in today's show. This is the sheet, boiled lasagna sheet. This thing is uh, very easy to make. You just boil this kind of sheet, lasagna sheet, for 7 minutes. Then drain the water and you will get this kind of sheet after boiling. So layer after layer, one layer after another layer, you can see, just see, this is the layer of the sheet, and again I will put the mixture. Some butter. This is oregano. I am spreading some oregano. Some chili flakes. And in goes some olive oil. Actually, I am spreading olive oil or butter for the moisturizer, because layer after layer the things are going, so the moisture is needed, because it will going to, I have to bake this dish, right? Again both the sheets. Now whatever leftover of my mixture of paneer, that is cottage cheese and palak. So it's done. putting the extra butter. And some oregano only to the mixture. Now you can see I will bake this one for 20 minutes in 180 degree. Hi, my all friends are there. Hi all, welcome to my show. संतोष जी नमस्ते, कपिल मंगला जी नमस्ते, हबीबा जी नमस्ते, प्रमोद जी नमस्ते. So many friends, welcome to my show. I am your foodie chef Swagata. Yeah, actually today I am preparing baked lasagna, that is cheese lasagna, and I have showed you the method. I hope you can make it. And Naina Gupta ji namaste, Manish ji namaste, Sheila ji namaste, DK Devendra ji namaste, Leela ji, Shweta ji, Nisran ji, Mona ji, Manish ji. So many friends, I'm so glad you all watch my show. This is really, I'm so happy. Sejal ji namaste, Vatsala ji, Vanita ji, Ehsan ji, Paresh ji, Vidhi ji. Good evening all. This is your foodie chef Swagata as usual, and already one item has gone for baking, and we will see the end result, and within this period we will prepare another thing. It's blue iced tea. It's a marvelous drink. So you will see how I'm making it. Yeah. Hope I'm audible. You can hear me well. Yeah. Santosh ji, namaste. Habiba ji, Raj Gupta ji, Badresh ji, Sanjay ji, Nidhi ji, welcome to my show. All of you, it's a wonderful evening, and I'm sharing some recipes with you as usual. Yeah, you follow me. I know you follow me. You follow me in Insta, in Facebook. You just write Cooking is Heavenly, Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly, and you will get to see the recipes and all the ingredients and whatever recipes. If you need any details of the recipe, I will give you that also. यहाँ आकर ना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, बहुत उम्दा लगता है. क्या अब क्या मैं बोलूँ, इतने सारे फ्रेंड लोग एक साथ, it's outstanding, and I just love the show. The show must go on, and this is Amul show. The platform is given by Amul, and we have joined from many states, and not only that, We have joined, we have got abroad, chef from abroad, chef from Kolkata, just like me, and various other states we are representing as a chef. And this is a lovely platform to interact with so many friends. And you can write to me in www.psychologicalways.com. As you know, I'm a psychologist, so you can write to me if you have any kind of help you need from me. And again, I will go for my next preparation. This is blue iced tea, as I told you that I will prepare that. So as you can see, this tea I will make in front of you. This is iced tea. It's chilled totally, and look at the color. Can you see? Yeah. This is the flower. From this flower is called Asian pigeon wings, commonly known as. In Bengali we say Oprajita. So it has many names. Blue pea, some say blue pea, butterfly pea, and this is a very common flower. So actually you need this hot water and just use this petals of this flower and you will get this blue tea. Just look, there is two types. This is pure sky blue and this one is deep blue. So whatever way you like, you can make it, and this is a very healthy drink. Actually, we always tell the children not to drink all this cold drinks which is very easily available, soda water, all these things. So you have to give alternative. So in this show, earlier you have seen I have made many kind of drinks for this kids, for us. So this is also a very uh, nice drink, and you can make it at home. And this tea, this is chill because I've kept this one in the freezer, and this is already you can have this one. Just 2 cups of water you can take, or according to your home, the family you have. If you have 4 members, just take 4 cup of water. And when the water is boiling, just like tea, you give this flour. Yeah, you just put this flour and you keep it with a lid, and when this color will come, you just stay with a stainer. You will get this drink. It's very easy to make and very healthy drink it is. So this is another thing, and let me see. Anybody needs any clarification of today's bring them on camera? Which? Okay, this is option. Okay, so many other friends also joined. I can see Rudra ji, Sanjay ji, Namaste, Nidhi Goyal ji, Asmit ji, Srijita Kushal ji, good evening. As usual, you're watching my show. Thanks. Chetna ji, Bimla Kaur ji, Shatish ji, Namaste. Meena ji, Namaste. Archana ji, Meethu Singh ji. Vishal ji, Rajkumar ji. Okay, Devendra ji, this is the blue iced tea that I have promised to make today. Yeah, I have showed you the flower also. In Hindi also we tell Aparajita. In Bengali also we tell Aparajita. Yeah, this is the flower actually. I will show you. Yeah. I hope you can see. Yeah, this is the flower. So you just boil some water just like tea. You just put this flour, Aparajita, and after giving the flour, don't boil it. You just put the lid on, and for about 7 minutes, you just strain the tea. And this is lovely because this drink is very comfortable, and this is very healthy also. So you can make it, and this flour is very easily available. At least in Kolkata, I get it very easily, and everywhere I hope you will get it. So, and another dish I must tell, this is lasagna. What today I have done, that is baked cheese lasagna. I have used Amul cottage cheese and butter, Amul butter, and I've showed how the lasagna sheets. Firstly, for 7 minutes, you have to boil the lasagna sheets in hot water. Then you drain the water, and the sheets, I have showed you the sheets also. You just watch the show, you will get to know everything. Then layer after layer, you just put the sheet, then the mixture of cottage cheese and palak, and again put some olive oil. Yeah, you just put everything together. There will be 2-3 layers, and then you have to bake it for 20 minutes in 180 degree centigrade. So this is already gone for baking, and I'm talking to you, and this is always lovely to be here with you all. Do you know Amul? Amul is the taste of India, and there is so many products of Amul. Amul cheese, Amul paneer is very common, and Amul has launched so many chocolates, ice cream, desserts, so many things, and Srikhand to so many sweets they have launched. So, and Amul is very easily available, so many shops are near to your home. And today we are over here in the Amul platform. So it's lovely meeting you with all the friends. And this is my show. I'm your foodie chef Swagata. Watch my shows and follow me on YouTube. Please subscribe. This is Cooking is Heavenly. You will get to see Cooking is Heavenly. Just write Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. You will see all the recipes and all the ingredients, and anything you want to write to me, you just go to www.psychologicalways.com. If you have any health queries, I will be there to help you out. And as a foodie, we all connect with each other. Yeah, we love food, so we make food and we enjoy. So, and I'm waiting for my dish. It is going for bake. It's baking. The lasagna is in another some 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes is very less time is. So now you can get to see the baked lasagna, and already this iced tea. Yeah, actually this is called Asian pigeon wing. Just see the flower. It is looking like pigeon wing, and it is called butterfly pea and Darwin pea. Yeah, many names. So Aparajita or Oporajita is a lovely name. You can recall, you can remember, and you can make this lovely tea, iced tea, blue iced tea. इरफान जी नमस्ते, संजय जी नमस्ते, सुनीता जी नमस्ते, अनूप जी नमस्ते, मीना जी नमस्ते, रबल जी नमस्ते, स्नीता जी नमस्ते, शंभू जी, मगन भाई जी नमस्ते, तनिका जी, मनीषा जी नमस्ते. Welcome to my show. I am your foodie chef Swagata. So many friends have joined. I am so happy. Yeah, it's hot from the oven. It's done. Just see. This is the baked lasagna and this is the blue iced tea. And in a very short time, you have seen that I have made this dishes. This is not a dish. This is a tray, and this is obviously a dish, and I've used so many things, and it's already done. So friends, I hope you can make this one. Yeah. This is the complete dish. Now we will cut this one and we will serve this one. And this is the iced tea. And if you need the recipe again, you just go to YouTube channel. This is Cooking is Heavenly. Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. You will get to see this recipe, all the photos, and many more recipes. So this is your foodie chef Swagata, and this is goodbye from your chef. We will meet again as usual, and it is always lovely to be here with you all. And bye for now, bye for today, and I miss you a lot. So write to me, and I'm there with you, and you can just follow me and write to me. Keep in touch. Bye. Take care.